Welcome back to another guide on setting up your course. In this video, we will look into the course promo settings. To ensure that your newly built course is well promoted with necessary information before the learners join the course, you will need to update the landing page information. To do this, in your course, go to Course Promo, Landing Page. On this page, update the promo video or promo image, the course blurb, the course introduction, and the time commitment for your course. If you have further information details to share with your learners, you can add them under this section. Add the course outcome summary, additional information, certification information, or course and course staff information. Please note the information shared are optional. However, it is best to include detailed information for your potential learners so they are well informed before joining the course. You can also preview how the page looks like by clicking View Landing Page. This is how your landing page will be viewed by your learners. When you make any changes to the page, ensure that you click the Save button to save your progress. Please pause now to update your landing page information. Welcome back. Great work on updating your landing page information. Now, let's go to the next setting, which is Marketplace. In your course, under Course Promo, click on Marketplace. This page is where you add additional information about your course to help the learners find your course when you list them on the OpenLearning Marketplace. You can update the course type, primary and secondary topic area, language, and course sector. This would help the learners to find and filter your course when browsing on the OpenLearning Marketplace. Please pause now to update the settings. Bravo! Great work on setting up the information for your course promotion. If you require any support in setting these up, please reach out to the customer success team via live chat, phone, or email. You can also find the help documentation on each of the settings via help.openlearning.com community page. See you in the next video.